statements is wrong. Option A, sucrose is a disaccharide. This is a correct statement. Sucrose is a disaccharide composed of glucose and fructose connected together by a glycosidic bond, and that means option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, cellulose is a polysaccharide. Yes, cellulose is a complex carbohydrate made up of long chains of glucose molecules and making it a polysaccharide, and it is a primary structural component of plant cell walls. So option B is also incorrect. Option C, uracil is a pyrimidine. This is also true. Uracil is one of the 4 nitrogenous bases in RNA and it is a pyrimidine. So option C is also incorrect. Option D, glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. This statement is incorrect because glycine is the simplest amino acid and it does not contain sulfur. It consists of just a hydrogen atom as its side chain. So the sulfur containing amino acids are cysteine and methionine, not glycine. So option D is the correct answer. Glycine is not the sulfur containing amino acid. So the answer is option D.